Right guys, now let's see how to work these problems. I'll be pretty fast in this, very easy problems, but before I can actually solve them, I would suggest you guys to work it out yourself. Well, I say the first problem is pretty easy, right? The first one is like x minus 2 is 7. So if you follow the logic of the magic wall or transporting the numbers on the right hand side and keeping x on one side, I just have to keep throwing numbers on the other side and keep x on one side. And the rule is, if all a negative number goes there, it becomes positive, right? That's all about it. So minus 2 would go there as what? Plus 2. In fact, I said, let's say minus is a girl and plus is a boy. And the rule is when the girl goes on the other side, it becomes a boy, and the boy goes, becomes a girl. So it goes like that. So it's 2 going there, it becomes plus 2, and the x is equal to 9. And that's all about it. Very simple, right? So let's go with the next one. That is y plus 3 is 10. So I need to throw 3 on the other side because I'm interested in y on one side. So plus 3 is a boy 3. So it goes there as what? Minus 3. That's all about it. So y is equal to 10 minus 3. So y is equal to 7 is the answer. Cool. So what next? I have 6 plus z, or 6 is equal to z plus 2. So now I am interested in z. But z is on the right hand side, so basically I need z on the left hand side, right? So I can interchange the whole thing. So I can write this side here and the whole side here, that is z plus 2 is equal to 6. It will be easy for you so that I can have a z on one side. So now I can put 2 on the other side. That goes like z is 6 minus 2. Why minus? Because plus is going there, it should become minus. So z should be equal to 4. That's all about it. What does the next problem says? It says 3 by 7 plus x is 17 by 7 is what I have, right? So what are you interested in? X, and this guy I don't want here, so I'll transport this guy. How will I do that? If there's a plus sign here, it goes as a minus sign. That's all about it. So x is 17 by 7 and it comes here as minus 3 by 7. The LCM is 7 for both of them, so like 17 minus 3 is what I have, that is 14 by 7. I can cancel this as 2. So x is equal to 2 is what I have. Right. What about the next one? It says 6x is equal to 12. So now we know when multiplication sign comes, when 6 has to go on the other side, if there is multiplication between these two, this goes as division. So x is 12 by 6. Or I can do it like this, 6x is 12. So what I can do is divide both the sides with 6. I can do the same operation on both the sides with the same number. So that's what I'm doing here. Divide both of them by 6. I get x is 12 by 6. It's the same thing. See, I can just put 6 down here directly like that, or I can divide both sides by 6. So I get the same answer, 6 once and 6 twice, and x is equal to 2 is the answer. The last sum here says x by 5 is equal to 10. So now here in this case it is division, right? So division goes there as what? Multiplication. So that's one of the rules that this goes like that. So x is 10 into 5, or else I can do like x by 5 is 10. So I can do same operation on both sides with 5. That is, I don't want 5 here, so I can write x by 5 into 5 is 10 into 5, and that's all about it. So 5 goes and I get x alone. That's my whole point, right? 50 here. The same case, x is 50. That's all about it. Very simple problems. As I said, please try doing all these problems without looking at the videos. Try solving it yourself. If you are not able to solve, then look into the videos.